In this guide, I'm going to show you how to buy cars here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you do need to go to one of your houses, festival sites, your garage, whatever it might be. Open it up and you need to go to the buy and sell tab. So tab over to buy and sell and you need to select auto show right here. You're now going to have a bunch of different options and you can filter by specific stuff down here. It's completely up to you, but essentially find whatever car it is that you want to buy. There's pretty much every car brand on here. So just scroll through here, find something. Select the car, it's then going to pop up with manufacturer colors. If you just want to change manufacturer color in here, you can, or you can go through and choose like a custom one that like maybe someone else has made. So find one that you like. For example, I guess let's just do this one, right? This one looks kind of interesting. Once you have whatever one you have, you're going to see the price right here. Go ahead and select it. Obviously, if you don't have enough credits, you can use car vouchers as well. But essentially, you could do that. Now, another way you can get these is through the auction house as well. You can go down, go to the auction house just like so. And then, of course, this essentially allows you to search for auctions by any make and model and buy specific cars right here for maybe a little bit cheaper or maybe a little bit more, depending on how much it is auctioning for. Essentially, just go through, find one that you like, go ahead and select it, and then place a bid on it, just like so. But that's going to be the full process right here. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.